Welcome to today's video. This is a basic adult phonics lesson, and today we're going to be introducing the concept of the silent E and how it can change the sound of the vowels A, I, and O. But first, let's review some of the sounds from previous lessons. Go ahead and read these sounds, and then when you're ready, restart the video to listen and check.
Z, w, ng, nk, sh, f, ch.
All right, now listen and you can write down the order in which you hear these sounds, and then I'll play it a second time and fill in the correct answers.
Nk, f, ch, f, th, sh, ng, z, w. Nk, f, ch, f, th, sh, ng, z, w.
All right, now review these words, sound out, sound them out, and then read the word. And then when you're ready, restart the video to listen and check.
E, n, t. Rent. O, a, s, t. Last. W, e, t. Wet. J, m, p. Jump. S, I, k, s. Six. Y, e, s. Yes. K, w, I, t. Quit. V, a, s, t. Vast.
All right, so this is a sound that we've already learned, the short A sound. So just listen and repeat.
A, a, a. Mad.
And now we'll listen to what happens to the A sound when we add the silent E at the end. Listen and repeat.
A, a, a. Made.
So you can see that the silent E on the end changes the A sound from A to A. So now practice reading these words, and then when you're ready, restart the video to listen and check.
T, a, p. Tape. K, a, k. cake, s, a, m, same, g, a, v, gave,
All right, now here's another sound that we've already learned, the short I. So just listen and repeat.
I, 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 kit,
And now listen to what happens to the I when we add the silent E at the end.
I, 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 kite,
Now the silent E at the end changes the I sound from I to I. So you change kit to kite. All right, now practice sounding out these words, and then when you're ready, restart the video to listen and check.
I, d, ride, s, I, d, side, b, I, k, bike, f, I, n, fine,
And here is the short O sound that we've already learned, so just listen and repeat.
ah, 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 not,
And listen to what happens to the O when we add the silent E at the end.
o, 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 note,
And now practice sounding out these words, and then when you're ready, restart the video to listen and check.
o, m, home, o, d, road, o, hope, b, o, n, bone,
All right, now practice sounding out these words, and then restart the video to listen and check.
s, k, a, t, skate, s, I, d, side, g, o, I, d, glide, b, a, k, bake, k, a, k, cake, o, I, k, like, I, k, pick, g, o, b, globe, s, p, a, t, spot, g, a, v, gave, t, a, k, take, s, I, n, spin,
All right, this time you'll listen and write the words, and then I'll play it a second time and fill in the correct answers.
glide, take, skate, spin, globe, like, glide, take, skate, spin, globe, like.
All right, now here are some sight words. So just listen and check.
Said, they, go, any, by, to,
All right, now read the sentences on your own, and then when you're ready, restart the video to listen and check.
Liz and Nat like to skate. They glide side by side. Dan and his mom bake a cake. Sam put a small globe on his desk. He gave it a spin. This globe can take us to any spot, he said to his cat. Pick a spot, he said. Off we go. Sam put a small globe on his desk. He gave it a spin. This globe can take us to any spot, he said to his cat. Pick a spot, he said. Off we go.
And that brings us to the end of today's video. Please like, subscribe, share, leave a comment, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.